The growing importance of chips is driving innovation in every aspect of semiconductor design, product engineering, and manufacturing. Chip designs are getting more complex, market windows are shrinking, and the engineering talent shortage is impacting roadmaps. This is driving the semiconductor ecosystem to improve PPA, yield, and productivity across multiple vectors with the rapid adoption of AI/ML methods. The recent introduction of Synopsys.ai provides a hyper-converged AI-driven EDA stack to deliver the industry's leading PPA and yield spanning the entire design flow from architecture to design to verification to sign-off to TCAD to manufacturing. We are encouraged by the rapid adoption of Synopsys.ai technologies by our customers, and we are hard at work extending the application of AI to additional domains as well as new generative AI innovations. Data and AI are two sides of the same coin. EDA, testing, and fabrication tools generate large amounts of data. Design data like timing paths or power profiles, testing data like die pass-fail reports, process control data from fab equipment, or verification data like coverage metrics. Storing and analyzing this data with AI/ML pipelines yields several advantages. New insights about a design in terms of PPA bottlenecks or coverage improvement opportunities, fast root cause analysis for test failures, or determining sources of yield deviation based on process control data in a fabrication line. Mining this data in an efficient way helps engineers drive more intelligent decision-making at every step of the flow. Today, we are broadening our Synopsys.ai EDA suite with a comprehensive AI-driven data analytics continuum for every stage of the chip design. The Synopsys EDA data analytics solution is the first of its kind in the semiconductor industry, providing comprehensive data visibility across every layer of the EDA stack. The solution includes capabilities for process control with a new product we call Synopsys Fab.da. This provides a scalable data platform to store and analyze large streams of fab equipment process control data. It scales with the capacity of the fabs and is capable of consuming petabytes of real-time data generated by the thousands of equipment in advanced fabs. AI/ML pipelines then process this data to create insights and rapid analysis of manufacturing data for accurate diagnosis of yield issues. For production analytics, we are excited to announce Synopsys Silicon.da, which leverages petabytes of silicon monitor, diagnostic, and production test data from test equipment to quickly determine how to improve key chip production metrics like quality, yield, and throughput, while also improving key silicon operational metrics such as chip power and performance. For design and verification analytics, Synopsys Design.da performs deep analysis of data from Synopsys.ai design execution to provide chip designers with comprehensive visibility and new insights and anomalies on PPA trajectories and specific opportunities for improving their designs. We look forward to partnering with design, product engineering, and manufacturing teams across the semiconductor industry to improve their efficiency and quality of results with these new EDA data analytics solutions. Thank you.